Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, just wanted to review these ammo storage cases. Now, I got these at Costco, and I think they were about 18 bucks a piece for this whole rack. So it comes with a tray that holds 4 individual ammo cans. Now, the funny thing is, they don't call them ammo cans. I think if you look them up on the Costco website, or when you're at Costco and they're labeled, they're something like craft storage boxes or something like that. But everywhere I've seen these, like Bass Pro, Sportsman's, anything like that, where they're labeled ammo storage, this whole setup is like 50 bucks or more. So $18 a pop was great. They have these little lugs on top, so they are stackable. So if you have multiples of these trays, you could stack them on top of each other and they won't slide around. They'll lock into these little lugs on top of the whatchamacallit. You can open up, store. They have a little plastic liner in here, or a little rubber gasket liner to keep moisture out. I don't know how much I trust that, but nice little extra little bit of helping. They have locks on them, but the containers are made out of plastic, so those would only keep honest people honest. I like to label mine, so that way whichever ammo I want to reload, I just wrote it on top. So this, for instance, 55 or 5.56, 55 grain, full metal jacket. That's what goes in here. So on and so forth. You can change the labels, whatever you want, put whatever you want in here. And I like this as a storage solution for loose ammo, and then whenever I load up for going to the range or training or whatever I'm doing, I could load mags out of this. So be on the lookout. Great deal at Costco. These are made of plastic, so they're not, I wouldn't like put these in any situation where they're going to take a lot of hard abuse. These are just for, you know, storage in my basement, in my house, organization tool. If I was going to take these out in the field or something, the metal ones that the military uses, I would feel much more comfortable with those. Those are going to be more sturdy, but they're going to be heavier. But I don't use them that way. And I've also seen these in like half-size ones with smaller trays, or maybe 5 instead of 4. But I like the size of these ones. So whenever I get a bunch of ammo, these hold quite a bit. I don't remember off the top of my head. You just saw me dump 40 rounds into this one. This one's empty now. This one feels full. But they hold quite a bit. I want to say they hold about 500 loose rounds, maybe more. At least that. So I got these at Costco. They're a good deal. If you find them, they usually have pallets of them. So I picked up several of these sets and didn't just work on filling them up, and then go from there. You can buy more as needed. Hope that helps.